Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram password if you forgot your old password. So let's get started. First open Instagram app on your mobile. Now go to your profile page by tapping on profile icon located at the bottom right side. Tap on hamburger menu icon which is horizontal 3 lines located at the top right side. Now tap on settings. Now tap on logout option and you will be logged out of Instagram. Now open Instagram app again. Here it will ask you to enter the credentials. But as we don't know the password, tap on forgotten password link. On the next screen, you may enter your username or phone number. And then tap on next button. You will receive an email with the option to get back your account. Just tap on reset your password button in the email. Now set a new password and you are done. You should be able to access your Instagram account with a new password. So that is how you can change Instagram password if you forgot your old password. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.